Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1970 Dodge Challenger TA. This car is well documented with a broadcast sheet, and it's had a frame-up correct restoration as well. Now if you've got any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this car, and then we'll get it around there on a lift and out on the highway as well. Now if you look across the grille, you'll notice it's in excellent condition along with all the trim and the front bumper. You can even see that it's got the correct spooler here, and as we look outside, you can see that they are straight as an arrow. As we come on around the driver's side, you can see that these body lines are excellent here from the front all the way to the rear. You'll also notice that these door gaps are even and symmetrical. You see that you got these black TA stripes along with the correct air grabber hood. But before we go on around the outside, I want you to come on up and we'll take a look at the interior on this car. As I said, it's had a period correct restoration, so this black interior is the right color scheme. As we look across the dash, you'll see that it's got the rally gauges that are all working as they should, and you see that it's got the Chrysler solid state radio as well. You'll also notice the dash pad is in excellent condition and that the door panels appear to have been replaced. As we come on around, we can see that the seat covers and the console appear to be new, along with the headliner, and as you can see, even the dome light's working in this car. Now that we've been on the inside of this 70, we'll continue on around the outside, give you the opportunity to see how great that door shuts and fits. Now as we come across the back, you can see the rear bumper is in excellent condition, along with the taillight trim and the lenses. You'll also notice this car does have the rear spooler with the Challenger TA callouts, and that you've got the fast fuel access door there for the gas. As we come on around the passenger side, I'll take a step back. That way you can get a real appreciation for how excellent of a restoration this car has had. Now it is done in the FY1 Banana, which is also the factory color for this car and is a high impact color. Now you notice that it's been buffed and polished to a gorgeous shine, and that on the front and the rear we've got the correct 15-inch steel wheels with the Goodyear Polyglass GT tires. As impressive as the outside and inside of this TA Challenger is, just wait until we get under the hood. If you'll come on up, we'll take a closer look at the driveline. As you can see, it's got the 346 pack engine. This is the numbers matching engine, and it's got the Edelbrock intake with a 3-deuce setup. You can also see that it's got power steering and power brakes on this car. Now the detail under here is one of the best that you're ever going to see on a 70 Challenger. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this TA Challenger, I wanted to get it around there so that way you can take a close look at the bottom. Remember, if you've got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now let's get this 70 around there so that way you can take a close look at the bottom, and then we'll also get it out on the highway for you too. Now that we have this TA on the rack, we can take a close look at the bottom. As you can see, this car all appears to be stock and like it would have been from the factory. It has the correct markings on the rear end, and you'll also notice that it has the correct markings here under the front, along with having new bushings and ball joints installed. This numbers matching 346 pack engine is mated to the numbers matching 727 trans and the correct Sure Grip 8 3/4 inch rear end with 355 gears. For exhaust, it has the correct manifolds with dual pipes and the stock style mufflers with the side exiting tips. And before we get this TA Challenger down and on the road, I want to take another close look at the floors, rockers, and frame. And as you can see, everything all appears to be original and rock solid.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.